Extreme caution. I repeat, extreme caution, folks. Ready for some disaster? Ready to keep your kids away from this? Because we're gonna have some disastrous show you how to do this with one hand. How do you put in a big baking dish with one hand, folks? Wow. As you can see, I've got the big oven piece. You can actually pull out, see how you can pull out the rack. But let's get this over. Rearrange these. But as you can see, extreme caution. Keep your kids far away, because this is going to be hot, folks. Be prepared. That's heat. That's heat for you, folks. Be sure to sanitize, and that'll definitely be it for you. Subscribe. Subscribe, folks. Sanitize and subscribe.